3. In this video, I'll show you how to collaborate in real time on Replit. First, open Replit and sign into your account. Then open the project you want to work on with another person. Next, open the project's sharing or collaboration options. Invite your teammates by entering their email addresses or sharing the project with the people you want to work with. After that, have your collaborators open the shared Replit project. Everyone can work in the same development environment, making it easier to edit files, review changes, and work on the project together. Now, communicate with your teammates while you work. Use Replit's available collaboration and commenting tools to discuss changes, ask questions, and coordinate what each person is working on. Next, run and test the project together. Check that new changes work correctly, and communicate before making major edits to the same part of the project. Finally, review the completed changes and make sure everyone is working with the latest version of the project. When you're finished, you can continue working together or manage access from the project's sharing settings. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to collaborate in real time on Replit. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.